It takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two to make it out that side. It takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two to make it out. Right now, I'm Rob Bass and I came to get down. I'm gonna rock right now. I'm Rob Bass and I came to get down. I'm not internationally known, but I'm known to rock a microphone because I get stupid. I mean outrageous. Stay away from me if it contagious, cause I'm a winner, no not a loser. To be an MC is what I choose. The ladies love me, girls adore me. I mean, even the ones who never saw me, like the way that I rhyme at a show. The reason why, man, I don't know. So let's go, cause it take two to make a. It take two to make a. What's up, everybody? How's it going? So this is News Now Houston. David Warden, I believe his name is. I've been watching him for a long time. Please subscribe to News Now Houston. See? Subscribe. And then a little bell pops up and then you click that. This guy's good. He's a on the street journalist for freedom. He puts police in their place. So this shooting, this SWAT raid where the Union police chief said he's going to start going after the First Amendment because the First Amendment is what got these police shot. Supposedly, somehow, some way. Anyway, sounds like, and their word on the street is, and this is a rumor, I can't confirm this, but Dave, I'm going to let you listen to what Dave has to say about it. And they might have gotten the wrong house. They might have raided the wrong house and murdered two innocent people who were probably just trying to defend their own home. So let's see what happened here. Not only that, they're also saying that, oh man, I just got distracted.
Okay, guys,
They're also saying that what? What are they also saying? Oh, that no one on SWAT was wearing body cameras. How is that possible?
just do a quick video. I'm out on the street, and I'm not going to tell you too much about what I'm doing or why, but this is the house from the shooting with the HPD officers on Monday. The crime scene units and stuff were here a little while ago, and they've now departed. I'm going to give you some quick shots from here.
So HPD raided this house with the SWAT team, supposedly because they're heroin dealers, and the quote-unquote heroin dealers fired back, so the police shot and killed them.
Some makeshift memorial up here. A lot of questions are being raised in the community here about this event. There are some inconsistencies in the stories, and so I'm out trying to determine, what's what. Something of interest. Look at those. Those are incoming bullet holes. Look how far from the door they are.
Looks like they were shooting through the wall to kill the guys inside.
So there's more to this, and I'll be putting up a video later today talking about it.
And here's that video.
All right, guys. It's kind of noisy here because I'm on a busy road, so I'm going to keep this thing close to me. The house you saw in my earlier video was 7815 Harding Street. Harding. Harding. That was the location of the shooting from Monday. Now, Chief Acevedo, when he described the location, he said it was hardened, that it had a high-tech camera system. The good news is, if he's telling the truth about that being the correct location, they have video. If he's not, well, and I don't believe that there was a camera system there. I saw no evidence of it. But what I do see...
The first video, the first house you just showed us, was the one they were claiming had this hardened structure with a bunch of surveillance.
Is this house over here? This is 7815 Hardy Street. Hardy.
Can you imagine they raided a house on a street over because the name of the street sounded familiar, and they didn't do their due diligence to make sure they didn't raid the wrong house, and ended up murdering two guys who were just trying to have self-defense in their own home?
Now, this place is hardened. It has gates on all the doors, bars, and whatnot. A lot of the windows are broken out upstairs. And it also has a very high-tech, expensive camera system. I'll get you a close-up of that here in just a second.
This house more describes the place they were trying to raid. Hardened, bars, cameras.
Give me a minute to walk over here. But now between the two locations, this looks more like a drug house to me. And some of the paraphernalia I'm seeing on the ground really kind of shows that. Now these cameras are equipped with night vision. And
Dave needs a gimbal.
They are numerous. They're not just one of them. There's 2 or 3 that I see right off the top of my head.
Bars on the windows. Fortified structure.
And I'm not going to hang out here. I'm attracting attention. Now I am armed in case I have trouble, but I'm not gonna stick around for that. But I'm not done yet. There's more to come, and I'm not the only one looking. A lot of the mainstream media from here in town who I network with are seeing some of the issues that I'm seeing. I have never seen a Houston police officer go on a raid without a body camera. These are the people most likely to be involved in a use of force incident, and they don't have body cameras.
I would bet they were wearing cameras.
Every Houston cop I know has body cameras. As a matter of fact, some of them take them home with them. So it's interesting that they're claiming these raid officers and SWAT officers didn't have body cameras. I'm not buying it. I am not buying it one bit. Well, that's it. Like I said, I am far from done. But I probably won't go live again with at the next stop. I'm gonna go start pulling some.
All right, so he's headed somewhere else. So you see, good job, by the way. News Now Houston, subscribe to this guy, David Warden. I like him a lot. He's a really good guy, and he maintains his composure very, very well. And he actually goes out and does activism. Unlike me, just running my mouth with my big eyebrows. But anyway, what if they raided the wrong house? I bet you that Union Chief is eating both his feet right now. I need to call that guy, Jamaldi, and record that phone call. I'm sure he won't take my call. Anyway, there you go. There's a kind of an update on this. Update. Up, Davey. What else? That's it, man. Subscribe to me. Click the bell. Click the thumbs up. Go to Etsy.com and type in John's Coin Rings without any spaces. Awesome, man. Good job, Dave. I'd love to interview you one day if you'd like. Or meet you, or all the above. Give you a hug. All right, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching.